some people would argue that Tamil or any other language would suffer. We just need our language, Hindi, to be a bigger unifier. That's the argument raised. How would you respond?
I have several points. Let me start by quoting Mr. Annadurai, who, when faced with the exact same rationale of a lot more people speaking Hindi, this was in 1965, and Mr. Annadurai said, going by the same logic, the crow, which is much more in numbers, should be the national bird of India, not the peacock. So we are not talking, even if we talk numbers, absolute numbers, the 2018 census states that 43% of India lists Hindi as their native mother tongue, which means 57% of India has to learn a language not native to them, with 43% having an inbuilt advantage of having been born into it. You know, we've heard of casteism, we've heard of sexism. Now we are going to have linguisticism also being practiced from birth or what? I don't see how that is even fair under any circumstance. If we are going to take more absolute numbers, a much bigger percentage of people are able to speak English as a second language in India. So it is a world language. There was a time when English could have been considered as an invader's tongue, which is how in Tamil Nadu or in Karnataka we would consider Hindi. It's an alien invader's tongue for us. I understand that we are one country, but we are one country voluntarily, sir. In the history of Tamil Nadu, in the history of Andhra, Hindi is not a language that was voluntarily adopted.
जब मैं तमिलनाडु गया था चेन्नई में एक सीरियल
मेरे लिए कर्णप्रिय भाषा तो मेरी मदर टंग है. आप एक लफ्ज बोल सकते हैं मेरी भाषा में.
मैं आपको वणक्कम कर सकता हूँ, प्रणाम कर सकता हूँ. और
मैं तमिल नहीं कह रही हूँ, मैं तो तेलुगु भी बोलती हूँ. मैं तो 9 लैंग्वेजेस बोलती हूँ और 9 लैंग्वेजेस को मैं मानती हूँ. आई रेस्पेक्ट एवरी वन ऑफ दोस लैंग्वेजेस. And one of them is English, one of them is Spanish, and I respect them too because it helps me get ahead in life. हिंदी बोलने से एक मुझे ये कहिए कि हिंदी बोलने से यूनिटी कहाँ से आती है?
क्यों नहीं आती है?
So it is not India, right?
Kasthuri, just one second.
I want मुझे जुड़ने से
Kasthuri, let me bring in my other panelists also.
वो तो आक्रमण है.
There needs to be a
link language, and this is not against, and we can also.
Okay, I'm out of time. One last word. One second, Kasthuri. One last word.
French in school.
Don't
make it the compulsory.
Don't make it compulsory.